Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are considering another topic in chemistry, and that is an exothermic reaction. What is an exothermic reaction? An exothermic reaction is actually a reaction that releases heat to the surroundings. So it means that at the beginning of such reaction, the heat content is high. Then at the end of the reaction, there's a release of heat. And so the surrounding medium is usually hot. So let's look at the full definition of an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat is liberated to the surroundings. Now, how do we calculate the heat change of an exothermic reaction? The heat change here is also known as the enthalpy change, where H is denoted as enthalpy or heat. Then the change here means change in heat or heat change, and that is reducing or deducting the heat of reactant, HR, from the heat of product, HP. And the result is usually negative. Why? Because the heat of reactant is usually more than the heat of the product. At the beginning of the reaction, the heat content is higher. So assuming the heat content here is 10, that's the heat of reactant is 10. Deducting it from the heat of the product, let's assume the heat of the product is 5 kilojoules. So by the time we deduct 10 from 5, we end up getting a negative value. So this accounts for the reason why exothermic reaction is usually negative. The heat change is usually negative. What are the examples of exothermic reactions? One is the reaction between calcium oxide and water. Whenever we dissolve calcium oxide in water to get calcium hydroxide, the container will be hot. So it will be evolved at the end. Another one is a reaction between an acid and a base. That is the common neutralization reaction. This is also an example of an exothermic reaction. The reaction here is between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide to yield sodium chloride and water. So these are few examples of an exothermic reaction, that is a reaction involving the liberation of heat to the environment. So watch out for my video on the energy profile diagram of an exothermic reaction and an endothermic reaction. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new on this platform. And don't forget to like, comment, and then share. Press on the notification bell to get alerted anytime I drop new video. Thank you.